Global Conservation Efforts 1. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species maintains a comprehensive list of endangered and vulnerable species. Helps prioritize conservation actions worldwide. 2. The Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD, an international treaty with goals to protect biodiversity and promote sustainable use of natural resources. 3. The Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, regulates trade in endangered wildlife products like ivory and exotic pets. Over 183 countries participate to prevent illegal wildlife trade. 4. The Global Tiger Initiative aimed at doubling wild tiger populations by 2022, supported by WWF, the World Bank, and 13 tiger range countries. The Bond Challenge seeks to restore 350 million hectares of deforested land by 2030. Involves reforestation efforts worldwide. Conservation by Continent North America, Yellowstone to Yukon Initiative, Y2Y. Connects protected landscapes to allow wildlife movement. Endangered Species Act, USA, protects species like the bald eagle and gray wolf. Monarch butterfly conservation protects migratory routes from Canada to Mexico. South America, Amazon rainforest protection. Conservation groups fight deforestation and illegal mining. Jaguar corridors helps protect jaguar populations across multiple countries. Europe, rewilding Europe, reintroduces species like bison and lynx to natural habitats. Natura 2000 network protects European biodiversity with over 27,000 sites. Africa Great Green Wall Initiative aims to stop desertification across the Sahara. Rhino conservation programs protects black and white rhinos from poaching. Gorilla protection, Virunga National Park safeguards endangered mountain gorillas. Asia giant panda conservation, China. Breeding programs helped remove pandas from the endangered list. Snow leopard, Trust, protects snow leopards in the Himalayas. Tiger reserves in India and Nepal. India's Project Tiger increased tiger populations. Australia and Oceania, Great Barrier Reef conservation, addresses coral bleaching and overfishing. Tasmanian Devil Recovery Program helps restore populations affected by disease. Kakadu National Park, Australia, preserves native biodiversity and indigenous culture. Antarctica Marine Protected Areas, MPAs, safeguard fragile ecosystems and penguin colonies. Climate change research monitors melting ice caps and their impact on global sea levels. Wildlife conservation efforts are crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. These efforts focus on protecting endangered species, restoring habitats, combating poaching, and mitigating climate change impacts. Here are some key conservation strategies. 1. Protected areas and national parks. Governments and organizations establish national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and marine reserves to provide safe habitats for animals. Examples include Yellowstone National Park, USA, and the Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. 2. Anti-poaching and law enforcement. Many species, like rhinos and elephants, are targeted for illegal wildlife trade. Stronger enforcement of laws, such as the Endangered Species Act, USA, and CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, helps curb poaching. 3. Habitat restoration and reforestation. Reforestation projects and wetland restoration efforts aim to recover ecosystems damaged by deforestation and urbanization. The Great Green Wall Initiative in Africa is a prime example. 4. Captive breeding and reintroduction programs. Some species, like the California condor and black-footed ferret, have been successfully bred in captivity and reintroduced into the wild. Zoos and conservation organizations play a crucial role in this effort. 5. Community-based conservation. Engaging local communities in conservation through ecotourism, sustainable farming, and education ensures long-term success. The Maasai people in Kenya, for example, help protect lions through the Lion Guardians program. 6. Climate change mitigation. Many species are at risk due to rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and changing ecosystems. Conservation efforts focus on reducing carbon footprints, protecting forests, and restoring coral reefs. 7. Endangered species protection programs. Governments and NGOs list species under various threat categories, e.g., IUCN and Red List. Conservation programs target species like tigers, pandas, and sea turtles. 8. Marine conservation. Ocean pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten marine biodiversity. Marine protected areas, MPAs, coral reef restoration, and bans on harmful fishing practices help conserve marine life.